Daikon. Now here's our daikon, and the number one way to check for ripeness is to ensure it's rock hard. If it's somewhat flimsy, then that means it's going bad. We'll top and tail, and then I'll slice right down the middle so it's easier to work with. In Japan, they remove the skin using their blade, but this is optional and only if you really want to improve your knife skills. However, you can simply remove the skin with a peeler. And there's our peeled daikon. A traditional method is to slice into large thick rounds, which are braised in a soy, sake, and mirin glaze. Or you can perform the oblique cut by orientating your vegetable on an angle and alternating directions as you slice. And that is how you break down daikon.